Konnichiwa, Camilla-san. How are you today?
I'm really, really good. I can't wait to go to my kabudo.
I know, I love that you do that. You're like way more Japanese than I am.
No, not really. I wish, I wish. I saw your video at the New Year's video which you posted
Yeah,
on this beautiful box with food. How do you call it? Oh,
it's called
sechi.
Osechi. Yes, it is the new year. There is a tradition in Japan where we eat what is called Osechi. And it really is food stuffed into a box, kind of like an obento. It started many, many hundreds of years ago. There was no way to really store food in a fridge. A lot of the foods that we eat in the new year, they were fermented so they can be stored at room temperature for a long
Mhm.
time. As you'll see that there's a little bit of everything in the box.
Mhm.
Everything from dry candied sardines to Japanese scroll like omelet called datemaki, or ginnan, which is sort of like sweetened chestnuts. And everything in that box means something. It's kind of like eating your New Year's resolution. If there's like sweet beans, you know, you will become more studious and smarter. The scroll is for, I guess it's all kind of, it has to do with like being smarter or educational. The scroll is symbolizing auspicious days. The datemaki, or the sweetened egg roll, looks like a
Mhm.
scroll. That symbolizes acquisition of knowledge and culture. The sweetened chestnut, it's golden color, symbolizes becoming more rich. So I think that's what's so beautiful about the Japanese culture, is that their mentality for food
Mhm.
is so deep. It is
Yeah.
so intertwined with their lifestyle, and everything has a meaning.
Is it popular for a Japanese person to give it as a gift to somebody else?
Typically, I think it was made at home.
Mhm.
I did it last year and it takes a long time because there's just like very different, a little bit of, there's so many elements to it. But nowadays in this modern culture, you can actually buy it. It's already pre-made. That's how it's commercialized. Japanese New Year is all about the family buying the osechi for
Mhm.
their own family.
Okay.
I wouldn't say it would be a gift, but I mean,
That's something which they can all enjoy together.
yeah, yeah, all enjoy together,
Mhm.
and you'll have a lot of leftovers for the next day and the next day. There's other things we eat too, though. There's something called toshikoshi soba. Toshikoshi soba means jumping into the New Year noodles. I typically went to a temple when the gong was striking, and I think they like hit it like 2,023 times this year. And when the last gong hits, it should hit midnight. It is the New Year. You will eat this new year noodle, and because noodles are long, symbolizes like longevity and
Mhm.
long life, so everything has a meaning.